Morning student, 8th standard physics, unit 1 measurement. What is measurement? Yes, the process of measuring which can be used to compare with other objects. Okay, the process of measuring. Okay, students. Then here we discuss about the topic clocks. Students, here we discuss about the topic clocks. What is clocks? What are the uses of clock? Yes, the clock is used to measure time interval. Okay, here we see types of clock based on display. Types of clock based on display. Okay, students. First, based on display, here we have two types: analog clock, digital clock. First, in the analog clock, what is analog clock? Yes, analog clock is a tool for reading the time. Okay, it's a tool for reading the time. Okay, students, analog clock, it has three hands. Here we see three hands. It's a hour's hand, it's a minute's hand, it's a second's hand. Okay, students, first we see hour's hand. What is hour's hand? It is short. It is short and thick. Okay, it is short and thick, and it show hour. Okay, then minutes hand. What is minutes hand? It is long and thin. Long and thin. It show minutes. Okay, students. Then second hand. This is a second hand. It is long and very thin. It is long and very thin. Okay, students. It shows second. It shows second. Then it give one rotation. It give the seconds. The second hand give one rotation in 1 minute. Okay, and 60 rotation in 1 hour. Okay, students. The three hands used to calculate the time interval. Okay, students. Then we see digital clock. What is digital clock? Yes, digital clock is a type of clock that display the time digitally. Digitally, it give digital time value. Okay, so it is called digital clock. It give digital time value. Okay, students. Here we see digital value. Okay, the time value is a digital value. Okay, students. Here we display directly. Display directly. The digital value, the digital time value, the digital time value display directly. Okay, students. Then here we see date, month, year and temperature also. Here we see date, month, year and temperature also we see in the digital clock. Okay, students. Then the digital clock also called the electronic clock. Digital clock also called the electronic clock. Okay, students. Then students, we see the another types of clock based on working mechanism. Types of clock based on working mechanism. And the working mechanism, we have two types of clock. First one quartz clock, second one atomic clock. What is quartz clock? Here we see mechanism. What is mechanism? A set of moving parts in a machine that perform a task. Okay, a set of moving parts in a machine that perform a task. Okay, student. Then we see quartz clock. What is quartz clock? Yes, quartz clock is a type of clock. Is more accurate. Is more accurate than mechanical clock. Compared to mechanical clock, the quartz clock have more accurate. Okay, students. Then the quartz clock activated by a electronic oscillations. Quartz clock activated by electronic oscillations. What is electronic oscillations? Electronic oscillation is a repeating cycle vibration. Repeating cyclical vibration in voltage or current. Okay, students. Then this quartz clock activated by electronic oscillations This electronic oscillations are controlled by quartz crystal. Okay, this electronic oscillations controlled by quartz crystal. Okay, quartz crystal. Okay, quartz crystal controlled by the quartz crystal. Then only we say this clock is quartz clock. Okay, students. Then the quartz clock accuracy have the accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 9 seconds. Okay, 1 second in every 9 seconds have a accuracy of quartz clock. Okay, students. Then we see the atomic clock. What is atomic clock? Yes, the atomic clock is activated by periodic vibration. Activated by periodic vibration. What is periodic vibration? A vibration that is regularly, the vibrations that is regularly and repeating. The vibrations, this is the vibration. Okay, the vibrations that is regularly and repeating. That's why it's called periodic vibration. The atomic clock is activated by periodic vibrations, okay, occurring within the atom. Okay, students. Then here we see the atomic clock used in GPS, GLONASS and International Time Distribution Services. What is GPS? Global Positioning System. Global Positioning System. Here global navigation and satellite system. Global navigation and satellite system and the International Time Distribution Service. Here we use the atomic clock. Okay, students. Then atomic clock accuracy 1 second in every 10 power 13 seconds. Okay, every 10 power 13 seconds. What is 10 power 13? 10 power 13 means 13 zeros. Okay. Students, here we see 10 power 13 seconds means 1 into 13 zeros. Okay. These words, these seconds, 1 second in every 10 power 13 seconds. Okay, students. Students, here we see the pictures of quartz clock and the atomic clock. See it. This is quartz clock and this is atomic clock. Okay, students. Thank you.